So dear CUET aspirants, why you have to choose Gradmentor? Let's see. Our proven track record of success. Gradmentor boasts a history of 100% successful CUET 2023 result. Our personalized learning plans. Recognizing that every student has unique strength and weakness, we provide personalized mentorship. This ensures that each student receives targeted assistance where they need it most, fostering holistic academic development. Well-experienced faculties and well-established research team. A well-trained research team comprising 65+ members is our powerful asset for tackling complex challenges and making significant contribution in our academics. AI-enhanced test series. AI algorithms analyze individual student performance to generate adaptive learning paths. This ensures that students receive targeted practice on topics where they need improvement, optimizing their preparation for CUET. Transparent progress tracking. We believe in keeping parents well informed about their child's progress. Through regular updates, student assessment calls, and parent-teacher meetings, we ensure that parents are an integral part of their child's academic journey. For more information and updates about CUET, please subscribe our YouTube channel.